What is metal fabrication software? Metal fabrication software helps companies meet production deadlines, maintain product quality consistency, and monitor usage of materials and equipment at multiple facilities. Common features of metal fabrication software include document management, to help centralize all project-related documents such as product model drawings, change orders, and requests for information. Materials management calculates material requirements and tracks the usage of equipment to optimize utilization. Inventory management ensures accurate record keeping by implementing serial or lot numbers to automatically sort and track raw materials, stocked items, finished products, and works in progress. Production planning and management uses visual dashboards to display work order statuses in a single location and enables managers to assign new work orders to employees. Types of buyers looking for metal fabrication software come from two primary businesses: small manufacturers and large fabrication shops. Small manufacturers can benefit from project tracking by reducing the waste from manual processes while improving production efficiency and quality. Full suite buyers for large shops can equip designers with tools to create 3D models for custom fabrication requests using built-in computer-aided design or CAD tools. Key considerations to look for when choosing metal fabrication software include mobile accessibility, allowing workers to interact remotely without the need for workstations. Designers can send and receive drawings, while warehouse staff can log new inventory from mobile devices. Deployment options allow users to select an on-premises tool, requiring data backup, maintenance, and upfront licensing costs. For a smaller monthly subscription fee, users can choose a cloud-based tool where the vendor handles data backup and software updates for the customer. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.